This channel earns $16,000 per month by posting automated shorts. Be aware that they are only generating these leads based on information from Social Blade and no ex-influencer. On sponsorships alone, they might be earning hundreds of thousands of dollars. Watch their most recent video.
This army of ants eats everything in its path. Army ant is a name.
In essence, they're basically relating amusing animal facts. This just requires a laptop with an internet connection that might be you in 10 minutes. Here's how. Visit ChatGPT. Ask it to name 10 intriguing animals, after which you can pick any of them. After that, ask GPT to write 30 to 50 words containing fascinating information about the animal you've picked. If you like, you can extend it. Copy those words to your clipboard after that. Now go to play.ht. You will now see this on your screen. If you already have an account, click Login. Otherwise, click Create a free AI voiceover and fill out the form. In my instance, I just signed up using Google. After logging in, you'll see this. Click Create Audio and select Ultra Realistic Voice before pasting your script into the text box. Although Larry is their AI voice by default, you may change it by clicking on it. The voices range from gender to accent to age to tempo, among other things, as you can see in the header portion. You can now experiment with playing various voice samples until you find one you like. Cooper will be used for mine. Simply click the name to select it. This button is located on the side. Click it to select Apply to all paragraphs. Additionally, you can alter the speed, but I'll stick with the standard usual speed. When you're finished choosing your voice, click the green Generate Preview button on this side. Once it has finished creating, hit the play button and give it a quick once over. If you don't like it, you can repeat the procedure we used previously and make changes after you're happy with it. Please note that clicking this button will download a WAV file. Next step, if you don't already have an account, go to Canva and sign up. Enter YouTube Shorts in the search field on Canva and press Enter. The left sidebar, then select Generate Block File. When prompted, click Upload to send the WAV file you just downloaded. Hold onto it while you drag it to your work area after it has been posted. If your audio file is compressed, click and drag it to the full length on this white blank page while holding down the mouse button. Let's now seek for images that are copyright free. Here are a few free websites that provide footage with a copyright. If you can't find the visual you want there, just hunt for it on other websites. I'll utilize Pexels for mine. Pixel-based search bar. Since we will be using these images for shorts, I'll search for pigeons, select Filter All Orientations, and then select Vertical so that we won't have to spend as much time cropping those images. Now I can quickly find what I'm looking for by choosing the images you deem pertinent. Here's a tip. You can upload photographs directly to the Canvas website by holding down on the image and dragging and dropping it. It will only take a few seconds or minutes, depending on your internet speed, to manually download and upload the video clips for the videos. Select Add Page and then adjust clips. If your video has its original sound, click volume and adjust it to 0 to mute it. If not, drag and drop your video and rearrange the pages to your preference. Return to Pexels and seek for further images and videos that are the same length as your audio file. Then, select a picture, right-click, or hit More to make it the background for the rest of the files. If you're finished, add some background music. Let's make use of YouTube's own audio collection. Click on YouTube Studio, then Audio Library under your profile. You can choose from a variety of music, all of which are available without charge. Click this button to filter stuff out to make it simpler. Select General, then check Ambient. Now, pay attention and find the song you like. I'll pick this. Once it's finished, I'll click this download option to save my copy and return to Canva. After which, drag it into your project and modify its position so that it is in line with the others. Let's now review what we have so far produced.
Pigeons, often underestimated birds, possess remarkable adaptability and intelligence. Revered for their homing ability, they symbolize resilience and peace. From cityscapes to historic messengers, pigeons hold a unique place in human culture.
If you feel it is prepared, please download your file. But something is still missing. We require subtitles. Go to unveiled to get automatically generated subtitles. I'm sent here because I already have an account. Then submit your video file by selecting New Video Create Project. Alright, select Subtitles from the left sidebar. Then Automatic Sub. There are more than 100 languages available here. But I'll go with English, so please wait while we create your subtitles. When it is finished, start the video.
Pigeons, often underestimated birds, possess remarkable adaptability and intelligence.
Click Styles to change the style. From there, you may modify the presets or select your preferred font style, size, colors, motion, and other options. I'll continue with this immediately while I replay and analyze your video.
Pigeons, often underestimated birds, possess remarkable adaptability and intelligence. Revered for their homing ability.
Simply make a few tweaks if you believe that any tags are delayed. Once you're happy with the results, click Done. Then export video and wait a short while download the file immediately, and then select the MP4 format. Now, let's compare the prospect video with the one we just created.
This army of ants eats everything in its path. Army ant is a name given to over 200 ant species in different lineages due to their aggressive predatory foraging group known as ray.
Pigeons, often underestimated birds, possess remarkable adaptability and intelligence. Revered for their homing ability, they symbolize resilience and peace. From cityscapes to historic messengers, pigeons hold a unique place in human culture.
Finally, upload your video. If you found this video to be useful, please click the like button and think about sharing it. I'll be publishing more videos to show you how to earn money for free, so click subscribe and turn on all notifications to be the first to know.